An explosion happened today over Melbourne, Florida, and nobody's been talking about it. It happened at around 9 a.m. this morning and lasted until 10 a.m., just a little over an hour. Just check out these perfectly round clouds forming from a singular point, and then they just spill over out into the rest of the clouds, like an explosion. No media reports, nothing. According to meteorologists, this is what happens when clouds become densely compact with water, but there was no rain in the area. And this just happened this morning, so we would have seen something. We did see some lightning, but no rain. Not like a natural storm that we get in the afternoons. Instead, they just hovered, glowing and crackling with electricity and blocking out the sun. These are not weather anomalies. They've already told us that they're doing experiments with the weather, and each country has their own technology. It's a war with weather. They're testing directed energy with geoengineering tech right over our heads, hiding behind the clouds. People have been reporting these strange clouds for a while, with what seems to be a war happening in the skies. Perfectly round, disc shaped clouds forming, then glowing and exploding happening behind them. Meteorologists try and explain it away, but we know there's more to the story. I'll keep you guys updated.